Welcome to the Viking Buddha podcast. I am the Viking Buddha, and I'm back again today with another Jacob Collier reaction. This is another one that I'm doing from the Mahogany sessions. It's Summer Rain featuring Madison, Cunningham and Chris Thile. It comes highly recommended. I haven't heard of these two other artists that are featuring, although I have been told in the comments to listen to Chris Thile, if that's how you pronounce his name. So I'm likely to check out his stuff as well if you want me to do so. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I try to do authentic reactions to music that gets recommended. If you're returning, thank you for returning. If you haven't done already, please subscribe to the channel to help me grow it. And if you do like the video, then give it a like. You're not obligated to do either of those things, but I hope you enjoy watching nevertheless. So without further ado, let's get into it in 3.
Two heartbeats on the floor, candlelight, angels at my door. No silver lining, I don't masquerade inside the flame, but I miss you like some rain. Shadows on the wall, borderline, I thought they'd never fall. Worlds colliding, I don't catch a wave, my summer rain. I can't breathe without you, I won't walk away, I feel the pain, but I can't bleed without you. Get by without you. Get high, but I miss you like some rain.
Okay, I just want to stop and give some thoughts. I'm becoming slightly desensitized to Jacob Collier now. Not in a bad way. It's just I know that I'm going to expect something magnificent. And it's actually nice going into a song knowing that you're just going to love it. So Chris, forgive me, I don't know what instrument he's playing. But he's playing it so perfectly and gently. It sounds incredible. The backing vocals that he gave were good. I definitely need to go and check out his stuff. Yeah, there's something different about the way that Jacob plays the guitar. It all looks so effortless. I need to figure out, someone's told me that he's had a guitar created for him, which is a 5-string that, well, he came up with himself. I've not worked out whether that's what he's playing there. Either way, it looks, there's something about the shape of his fingers when he plays a guitar that just looks different. I think he's probably got very long fingers, which lends to the piano playing as well. Anyway, it's such a beautiful melody, this song, perfectly performed so far. And Madison came in with some beautiful vocals there. I'm going to rewind it a little bit. I've just seen those Crocs that he's wearing. Just seen those. Sorry, my head's going all over the place with all of this. Right, let me rewind it and get back into the song. It's great so far. That little bit there that Chris is doing is great.
Kiss me to my core, paralyzing miss you like summer rain. Don't love you anymore. I'm providing. You held me down before. Never asking why I'm so afraid to walk your way. I'm so free without you. I won't feel the rain.
What I love with all of the artists that it seems like he chooses to feature or work with, they've all got, I mean, obviously they've got a similar vibe, you'd expect that, but certainly the female vocalists that I've seen him perform with, they all have a effortless way of, that's another time I've used that word, but they all have an effortless way of singing. There's no strain to their voice. They're not trying to do something that is where they're necessarily stretching themselves, or they feel like they're trying to get to a note that isn't really sort of coming to them easily. Obviously, that just suggests they're great singers, but they've all got this. They're all not trying to sing too loud. They don't try to outdo each other. They just lend to the song, and it's why it's always seems to me what I've seen so far, just a perfectly balanced performance. So yeah, that's what I'm getting from this, and that's what I'm loving about it. Okay, let's carry on.
I'm so free without you. I won't feel the rain, won't feel the same. I'm alive without you.
Lovely harmonies.
Without you, feel high, but I miss you like summer rain.
But every night I feel so tired, but I can't sleep without you near. I close my eyes, wish you
Lovely. Another beautiful, stunning performance from Jacob and Friends. Jacob and Sons. No, no sons. Right. I mean, the only negative thing I could find about that is my relationship to Summer Rain. I live in England, so I'm not particularly fond of Summer Rain. I can't say I miss Summer Rain. But I know that's not what they meant. So going back to the song itself, beautiful melody, beautiful vocals, beautiful instrument playing. Again, I know I'm repeating myself here, but how they just all play off each other to make sure that the instruments and the vocals are all lending itself to the song as opposed to taking over. Chris was really understated as well in his backing vocals, and so another, I'm going to say, flawless performance If there's any other songs that you would like me to react to from Jacob, I do have some other ones that have been mentioned so far. But if you want me to continue to react to Jacob, please like the video and comment on it and let me know, because that's how I know that you'd like to see more of it. But that's really it from me today. So, well, I will bid ye a farewell in that case. And remember, be strong when you are weak. Be brave when you are scared. And be humble when you are victorious. Namaste.